Speaking Part 1, how do you think we can protect the environment? I think one of the most important things we can do is to reduce our heavy reliance on fossil fuels. This means using more renewable energy sources like solar and wind power and finding ways to be more energy efficient in our daily lives. We can also reduce our carbon footprint by using public transportation, walking or biking instead of driving, and reducing our meat consumption. Speaking Part 2, describe an environmental problem that you are concerned about. I am very concerned about the impact of climate change on our planet. One of the biggest factors contributing to this problem is our heavy reliance on fossil fuels. The burning of coal, oil, and gas releases large amounts of greenhouse gases into the atmosphere, which trap heat and cause global temperatures to rise. To address this problem, we need to reduce our reliance on these fuels and shift towards cleaner, renewable energy sources like solar and wind power. We also need to take steps to reduce our overall energy consumption and increase energy efficiency in all sectors, from transportation to buildings and industry. Writing Task 2, some people argue that economic growth is more important than environmental protection. Do you agree or disagree? I disagree with the idea that economic growth is more important than environmental protection. While economic growth is certainly important for improving people's standard of living, it cannot come at the expense of the environment. In fact, our heavy reliance on fossil fuels and other unsustainable practices is a major threat to both the environment and the economy. Climate change, pollution, and resource depletion are all serious issues that can have far-reaching consequences for human health and well-being. To ensure a sustainable future, we need to reduce our heavy reliance on fossil fuels and transition towards cleaner, renewable energy sources. We also need to take steps to protect our natural resources, preserve biodiversity, and reduce waste and pollution. In the long run, these efforts will not only benefit the environment, but also contribute to a more stable and prosperous economy.